Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the problem Messenger has stopped. So first of all, listen carefully. You can do one thing. You can just tap on this square button. It will lead you to the Messenger interface. Then you have to just delete all the things that is here. So just delete all the things including the Messenger one. After that, if it doesn't solve the problem, you have to tap and hold the Messenger application, then go to the app info button, go to the notification button and make sure you allow all the notification. Go to the permission section and make sure you allow all the permission. After that, go to the storage and cache and clear the cache and just check if it is working or not. If it doesn't work, then you have to clear the storage, but before it, make sure you remember the username and password. After that, you can go to the Play Store and make sure your Messenger is updated. For the just search for Messenger and go to the Messenger application. There will be update button if you need any update. Then after that, you have to re-log in into Messenger, and if it still doesn't work, you have to uninstall it and again reinstall it. So hopefully it will work, and if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.